In this video, I am going to go over the Zoom annotation tools. We're in our Zoom meeting. We're going to share the desktop. I'm going to minimize the Zoom application. And we're at the presentation we want to share. This being a Google slide, but you can do it with PowerPoint or just a web page, or maybe you're just sharing a PDF with your students. I'm going to put my Google slide into presentation mode. And up at the top, you see the Annotate tool. That comes down. There's a lot of different features that you will want to look through. Key ones being that you can text directly on your image or screen. You can also draw different items, whether it's freehand drawing. Maybe you want to make a circle and circle something for the students. Or maybe you're looking to highlight a section. Now you can go up and hit clear to clear all of your drawings. You can do undo if you just made one and you just want the last item to be removed, such as that. I'm going to clear all of them right now. Now I'm going to stop sharing, and I'm going to show you that sometimes you might have a course, maybe a math course, and you have a mobile tablet that is touch screen. And if you download the Zoom app and you log in and then you join your meeting, you'll see here another account will come up. It will show you in the meeting twice, which is fine. You will notice that because I'm logged in twice, I can't use the polling feature. I'm going to click OK. So right now on the tablet, I'm going to the top of the screen and clicking Share Content, and there's a whiteboard option. Now with the whiteboard option, I have a stylus, and I can now draw as if I'm using maybe a chalkboard or a white erase board if you need to do formulas. And there's the same erase feature options. You can undo the last marking you did. You can erase just one item at a time, or you can delete all of your drawings. Now, something to note is if maybe your students are sharing the screen. Now I'm going to go back to my screen here, the PC that I'm recording on, and that is the first account that I was signed into my Zoom. I'm going to go up to View Options, and you'll see there's an Annotate tool again. So if one of your students are sharing their screen, you have the ability to put this on, and now you might again want to draw and point out specific items on the screen for the students. Now keep in mind, now when you say clear, you might want to just clear the items you did with the account, or you can clear all of the drawings from the screen. That is using Zoom's annotation tools.